No 2026 Jamb bite. You want to miss what I'm saying, going to say. You see these topics in chemistry. If you want to pass Jamb 2026, make sure that you read this topic. Number one here is organic chemistry. Read organic chemistry very well. Organic chemistry, read it very well. Read it very well. Know the isomers, know the functional groups at the aliphatic, know the aromatic hydrocarbons, read about hybridization of organic compounds. So just read organic chemistry very well. Number two, separation techniques, very important for your sources. Make sure you study separation techniques very well. Number three, kinetic theory of matter. Read kinetic theory of matter very well. Acid, base, and salt. Read acid, base, and salt as if your life depends on it. Study everything about acid, weak acid, strong acid, and the behavior of acids, physical and chemical properties of acids. Look at the base, same thing with base and salt. Study about pH, pOH, pK, and KPA, KP, and just study about everything about acid, base, and salt. Metals and non-metals and their compound. That is metals and their compounds and non-metals and their compounds. Make sure you study this very well. This oxidation and reduction. Of course, you don't want to leave this one outside. Oxidation and reduction, make sure you study very well. Definition of oxidation in terms of electron transfer, and just study everything about reduction and oxidation reaction. Identification of redox reaction, reducing agent, oxidizing agent. Know everything about it. Atomic structure. Just study atomic structure very well. The mass number, the neutron number, the isotopes, the morality. Study about everything. Chemical bonding, electrovalent bond, coordinate bond, van der Waals bond. Study chemical bonding very well. If you want to pass exam mode, this is for those that want to do very well. And the last one here is chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, very important. Study chemical equilibrium very well. When you have to study chemical equilibrium, you need to start from rate of chemical reaction, types of reaction that we have. Then when you study types of reactions, or you will now come to rate of chemical reaction. You study about catalyst and rate of chemical reaction. It is in rate of chemical reaction you study about enthalpy, entropy, and Gibbs free energy. That is before you now arrive at what chemical equilibrium. When you so just study everything about that. Study chemical equilibrium for reversible reaction in talking about concentration. That is a equilibrium constant, and then equilibrium constant are gas concentration, and then about the ideal gas. So just make sure you study all this thing very well. This topic, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9 of them. If you can understand this topic very well, you thank me after this exam. Bye-bye. And don't stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping for physics, for biology. Physics, biology, mathematics. I've dropped for chemistry, so you should stay tuned. Don't forget to visit my channel frequently. Bye.